The Samsung Galaxy S9 features a large 18.5:9 Super AMOLED Infinity screen, which makes for a rich, immersive viewing experience. The near bezel-less edge-to-edge screen with IP68 dust and water-resistant full front glass gives the phone a stylish look. The phone is available in 3 color options: midnight black, coral blue, and lilac purple. The phone comes with 4GB RAM, which allows for good multitasking and gaming experience. The phone also has 3 internal memory variants and is available in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB storage options. The storage in all the variants is expandable up to 256GB using a microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy S9 has hybrid dual SIM slots, both supporting 4G connectivity. With volt speeds up to 1.2 Gbps, you can download and watch live streams quickly and smoothly. It has a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED screen with a Quad HD Plus edge-to-edge infinity display, which makes it suitable for extensive gaming, watching videos, and most types of usage. The phone also uses a combination of facial recognition and iris scanner for quick unlocking even in low-light conditions. It also has a fingerprint sensor. The phone features a 12-megapixel dual-aperture rear camera with super slow-motion videos at 960 frames per second, quick adapting lens, optical image stabilization, and f1.5 aperture to automatically capture great photos even in low-light conditions. The camera also allows to shoot 4K videos. The 8-megapixel front camera comes with Auto HDR for bright and clear selfies. The Samsung Galaxy S9 runs on Android Oreo and is powered by the 2.7 GHz Exynos 9810 octa-core processor. This makes the phone suitable for heavy gaming and also ensures that the phone does not slow down. This phone is powered by a non-removable 3000 mAh battery and supports quick charging with a USB Type-C connectivity option. The phone also has Dolby Atmos stereo speakers tuned by AKG, which delivers a loud and clear sound experience. AR emoji stickers and videos help you create personalized stickers and anime versions of yourself. The handset comes with a charger, data cable, stereo headset, ejection pin, case, USB connector, and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is made available through various EMI options, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.